I taught the science and the physics, I know witchcraft. I treat you like a dog in heat, I beat a bitch ass. You gave a man a plate, then taught me to fish last. I'm so deaf, my path is crisscross, mismatch. I take your bitch and go deeper. One more time, hold up. I hit your bitch and go deeper than a pickaxe. You talk about the all-time leader, go and get stats. I put a pin in your voodoo doll and twist backs. Pray over my weed and hit the store and get back.
I roll a L on you.
Where? Right there.
Cause I'm the pimp god, baby, and I know you're mine. You belong to me, baby. Pimp god is good. You better stop that bullshit that you're doing. I'm tired. I'm a pimp, I'm about my money, baby, and money is time. Time is money is time. Get on your motherfucking grind. I can't stand it. Huh? You made a sandwich. What? Had 2 white pieces of bread and you was the woman witch. Oh no. Out of pocket. I put a spell on you. Cause you ain't paid the pimp god his due. Now I want my 21% Church of Yella Jesus pimp god is good.